I'm using the Fitspark Eagle Eye Action 15 Pro, and this camera is around 9,000 or 10,000 with all the accessories online. It's not a paid promotion or anything. I mean, I didn't buy it online. So I was looking to vlog again, and I had gone to Silvassa recently because my friend opened this dhaba. It's called Friends Dhaba, because you know, friends come and sit together, chill together. I have gone to the place. I love the food actually. खाना अलग है, मुंबई से तो अलग है. And if you are passing by, I'll drop the geolocation. I'll put everything in the description for you. You can check it out. So the camera is the Fitspark Eagle Eye 15 Pro, and I'm recording in 1080p 60 fps. Mic that I'm using is the BT12. It's a Bluetooth headset that I have because I tried using this Granero mic, which was recommended to me by my friend Jeremy D'Souza. He runs a channel. Do check that out too. The thing is that mic is great when you're recording from far, like little far away. It has 3 noise cancellation levels. But when I put that mic inside my helmet to record from my phone, the audio was very jarry. It was too close to me, so I think that's the problem, and I can't figure it out. So the camera also came with a microphone, wired mic. I tried that. That was also not good. So then I had this BT12 headset that I got from Tiger Motor store a couple of years ago, and it's still working. So I use it for music and taking calls. If you're taking a call, please stop on the side and take a call. Video 1080p 60 fps. I'm recording from this camera, the Fitspark, and the audio I'm recording through this headset, and it's going to my phone audio recorder in high quality. Then I sync the audio to the video. Ambient noise, जो background noise है, वो कैमरा से आ रहा है, और जो मेरा वॉइस है वो इंटरनल माइक्रोफोन जो मेरा BT12 है उससे आ रहा है. If you want, I'll make a video, and I think I will, to show you how this camera setup looks. If there's color correction done, I will put it on the screen. As much as possible, I will keep everything raw, and that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for joining my mini maximum talk, because it's never mini, it's never short. Bye bye. Thanks for watching Ready Set Let's. Malcolm D'Souza.